Found any pieces, Mom? Guys, I just got an email that Whitney Simmons put an at-home program on the Alive app. Since I have the app, I'm paying for it, and I can't go to the gym. This is perfect. I'm excited. Maybe I'll try one of the workouts from it later today. Oh, is this gonna stay? I guess it will. Right now it is Monday morning and I'm just doing some editing. I really want to get some work done the first half of the day, and then maybe we'll find another fun project later today, because I'm trying to try something new and do a fun little project every day, I think. You know, keeping things exciting. And I've gotten really good feedback on my Instagram stories. I've been posting stories of I tried the whipped coffee and the tie-dye and everything. That went on my Instagram real time. If you want to see the projects I get up to and how I'm spending my time in quarantine, definitely go follow me on Instagram. It's just my name, @KristeeVetter. And I made a highlight on my page called Quarantine where I put all of the things I've been posting, like books I'm reading, workouts. I have swipe up links and stuff, so definitely go check that out. And I've gotten a lot of positive feedback from you guys, loving the quarantine stuff. See what we get up to next. But for now, I have some work to do. It is Monday, so I'm back on the grind, you know. Cheers. This morning I just had my coffee and was doing some reading, did some puzzle with my mom. Actually, before I start editing, I'll show you the progress on our puzzle. It's pretty good. This one's really hard, okay? But we got a good chunk of the ocean done. It's gonna be this nice oceanside church thing, I guess. Beautiful. We have much to do. We have much time as well, because the guidelines just got extended for another 30 days, so. Are you in or are you out? Making oat milk. You're out? What? I'm drafting you. That wasn't a question. That was a forcible.
Why are you asking if I'm in or I'm out?
Well, because I want verbal commitment. What do you have better to do than make oat milk with your daughter who's only here for a short time?
You're gonna have oat stuff everywhere. This is why I get on your dad's case all the time.
Are they not gluten-free oats? We don't have gluten-free oats?
No. I need to social distance.
From your oats.
From my oats.
Several hours later. Finally finished editing. Time to eat.
And it kind of made me feel like a 6th grade science teacher over the last week, but I think you're going to be really...
That's what we aim for.
Not 7th, 6th.
To get started,
Are you smarter than a 6th grader? No.
cooking oats and steel-cut oats have different textures and thickness and may affect
What? It's about the oats?
the milk
What
turns
she
out,
just said.
so it's best to stick with rolled oats.
I think that's what we have. Rolled oats?
Yeah, that's what we have. Oh,
Good.
look, certified gluten-free.
I'm sorry, I did not choose the oats that Dad purchased. This is a giant ass bag from Costco. Oh, I think that'll be fine. Yeah, that's small.
It's not as small as what
It's not like a net bag, but I think that'll do.
hers was, like a pretty tight weave. He was even saying that cheesecloth doesn't do it in this situation.
Well, we can try it with this at least for one batch, and then if we need to, we can maybe look for something that's finer and then pour it again. The video we just watched online, I'll link it down below if I can remember, she actually found that by soaking the oats in a couple capsules of digestive enzymes that she had, one of the active ingredients, what was it,
Amylase.
Amylase actually helps reduce the sliminess of the milk because of something about breaking down the sugar.
Breaking down, yeah. No, breaks down the starch.
Okay, yeah. So basically it's better for the texture of the milk.
Pour it up, pour it up. Quite a cup there. You wanted me in here.
We're just adding 2 capsules of digestive enzymes. We're opening it.
No,
Are
we're
we?
not.
It's a race. Who can open theirs first? Oh, I won. That was fast. We're not using the capsules.
I don't know how to do this. I've never learned.
All you do is twist it, yeah. Dump it on there. Cool. And now we're just gonna add water until it's all submerged pretty much and let it sit for 15 minutes and mix it around. So we're just gonna submerge them. Okay, that's probably good. So now I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. No, she's gonna mix it up a little
I'm
bit.
gonna mix it up. 15 minutes.
Hey Siri. Set timer 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
Beautiful.
Siri's voice turned into a male.
Mine is an Australian man. Yeah, you can customize it. When we're done, we'll check back in and drain it out and then do the normal process.
20 minutes later.
Hear that, Mom? Hashtag time's up. Now have it been soaking. Was that English? It's been 15 minutes in the soaking. We're gonna strain it through our strainer. This will be our first test of how well it works, and rinse them just to make sure all the starch that was released gets out of there. And then we'll blend it with water. So now we're actually gonna see if this even works for the oats and doesn't release them. Come on, get out of there. Homeboys.
Okay, wait a minute.
Fall in line, soldier.
I would think we want to...
Okay, look at that. Now we're
Okay,
in
that's
business. Oh, it looks like the straining is working pretty well, so that's good.
Is this it?
This is the experiment of the day. Look, this is the oats.
Okay, ready, set?
We're using your Vitamix.
That's all? You're making that little bit there?
Well, it's gonna
Look
make...
at all that.
Well, isn't it the good stuff?
Yeah, well,
What are you doing?
no. We just soaked them with enzymes to help with the texture. So now we're making the actual milk.
Look at that.
Okay, we can't see. Oh, my camera battery's dying.
Ugh.
And we're gonna put 3 cups. Well, she said 3 or 4. Maybe we should do 3 and a half. Let's do 3.5 cups of cold water, not hot. And then we're gonna add a little bit of
This is the
sweetener.
cup of
Mom,
water.
okay, watch this. A cup is a cup is
All
a
right,
cup.
let me-
Watch this. She thinks these are 2 different measurements. I used to think this too. You've been alive much longer than me. You should know.
No, I had to put it down so I could see, because I don't know.
The camera's
Okay,
gonna do it.
that's
It's
good.
perfect. Okay, watch. It's going to fill this exactly. Oh, look. It's a cup.
Look, that's not
No, it's at
exact.
this line where above the... Do you see? It goes right to the edge where this little lip, it's above.
Well,
A cup is a cup. Now she's not so sure.
oh, you want half?
We have 3.5 cups of water in this business with the oats, and now we're gonna add a tablespoon of maple syrup to sweeten it. I don't know where you got this, but
Safeway.
oh, Safeway. Vanilla syrup, 1 tablespoon.
Here, wait.
You could just go without it if you want to do it unsweetened, but we want it sweet. It's a little fish. See?
Where's my vanilla syrup that you hide?
I just put it right here.
Oh,
Nectar of the gods.
Need another hand?
we do.
Give us a hand, Dad. Applause. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Got it in the blender. 1 cup of oats, 3.5 cups cold water, tablespoon of maple syrup, and we're just gonna blend it for less than a minute, I think. Okay, I'm gonna put you here, and then I'm gonna film it on my phone too. I'm like medium.
Low. Just
Low? It's on low right now. It's on. We'll start it out. It's on.
Okay, we're gonna blend it. Pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever.
And we want it on
She's
high.
going full force. Blast off. She's done. We did it for a little less than a minute. Ooh, listen to the sizzle.
Yeah.
Smells good?
Yeah.
Smells like oats. It smells like, oh my god, I just had a flashback to when you give me like oat baths for my eczema as a kid.
Oh.
That just brought back a strong triggered memory. I guess we can put the camera back
So
here.
I washed this off.
Oh, beautiful. Look at you. Straining.
Kristee, you're pouring it down the sink. So now that goop is just kind of acting like, you know, more of a thinner sieve.
This is a David Hasselhoff. Ooh.
It's a trade-off for living in a small space.
Trust me, I
about
know.
small spaces.
Look at all this goop.
All that goop.
Dad, you hungry?
That on the in the toaster oven. Toast it for me.
Oh my god, help me.
Is that all that came out?
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking there must be a lot in there.
Well, she said to strain it twice, right?
I don't know how to tell. I'm just gonna... I mean, it doesn't... I mean, it's like speckled, but... It's not great. It tastes like flat oats. Like not like oat milk. It's not the same creaminess.
It's a bowl full of gluten.
Here we go. We're doing a take 2 with, just in case there's any last bits, we're doing doubled up cheesecloth inside the strainer to try and catch anything we can. And we're gonna do it a second time.
Just gonna have to make sure that you keep it going right smack in the middle.
Here she goes.
Wait a minute.
Let it go. Yeah, I think this will be better actually.
Through.
I think we've done a pretty good job. Honestly, we don't even need that last bit if it's really not getting through. Dad'll drink it.
We are working hard for this.
Shall we call it?
I think you want to call it. I'm having so much fun.
I'm just standing here while you're doing all the work.
I know I could be painting.
But it actually looks like underneath I can see it looks much more like milk this time. So I'm glad we decided to strain it again. It was very mushy, so maybe it'll taste better. This is the oat milk we had left. I just emptied it out, which is very good timing. So this is empty. We can put the rest in here. And I put it in this cup. So we're gonna compare. That's Chobani. That's Veteran Co. Looks pretty good. It's definitely darker than theirs. Mom is facilitating our blind taste test between the store-bought and the homemade oat milk.
Then Kristee won't know which one you pick up first. Hand to her.
Okay.
Do you still know which was which?
Yeah.
Take that one first. I'll take this one first.
No, wait. Yeah, I thought you were going
Okay,
to close
okay.
your eyes and... No, wait, put that down. I thought you were going to close your eyes.
Ground rules.
You close your eyes. Hand her one of them. And you choose which one. Close your eyes. Close eyes. I'm watching. You choose one, George. Now don't open your eyes. Don't.
Eyes.
I like to take the glass. Okay.
Take a drink.
I'm like scared.
Keep your eyes
Did you
closed.
spike it in the meantime? I can already smell it and I know this is a store-bought one. Yeah, this is definitely not ours.
Put that one down.
I could have given you this one again.
Yeah, this is most definitely... Okay, this is like not even a close game. Now you guess, Dad. Oh, we're gonna close your eyes and switch them around.
This is the one
Okay.
we made.
What?
And you said this was the store-bought.
No.
Look at the color.
Taste
I'll
it.
taste this one first.
Okay.
We're not social distancing.
We're already... If we have it, we all
This
have
is
it.
twice as sweet.
That smells like
smells like
Costco oats.
Yeah, it smells like
This one smells like vanilla and sugar. Yeah, you could even smell the difference, I bet.
indisputably.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that one. I didn't even taste it.
Here's everyone. It's still gonna be good. We're still gonna use it, you know?
A little adjustment with the sugar. And
Yeah, sweeten it
maple
more.
syrup.
And this actually,
Maybe a little more vanilla in
this
it.
is actually thicker.
The store one? Yeah, probably. Ours is more watery.
Flavor of the one you made slightly differently. You might like it just as
It just needs some tweaking. But for our first one, not bad. I'd consider it a moderate success. I just got one final thing in the mail that I haven't shown you guys yet for my loungewear collection that I'm piecing together. Not much of a collection. This is another Amazon find that was like a cheap t-shirt because I got black sweatpants also. So to wear with those, I thought it'd be fun to do something different, like not a matching set, but well, this looks really thin. Multicolored tie-dye t-shirt. So I thought this would be fun with black sweatpants. It's a crop top. Really, really lightweight, soft. I thought it was gonna be cotton, but this is like flowy, like very cool. I don't know how to describe it. I'll put it on my Amazon page in case you want to get it. It's just one that was in stock, so I was like, okay. And yeah, we're making dinner right now. I need to make a thumbnail for the video that I am posting tomorrow. It'll probably just be a chill evening watching a movie or something. My dad and I might drive to the beach tomorrow, and by the beach I mean our house in Cannon Beach, not to like go on vacation. We would still be obviously quarantined in the car and in our house. But other than that, I think I'm probably just gonna end this vlog here, honestly, because I don't really need to film anything else that's gonna happen. Let me know if you guys try it yourself. I'd love if you send me pictures, tag me in Instagram stories. It was so fun posting stories of when I was doing it and getting so many responses like, I want to do this now, like I can't wait to try it. That's it. Love you so much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're not already, because I'm vlogging all the time in quarantine. I'm challenging myself to try a new project every day, and see you next time. Peace out, Girl Scout.